Hello there. Today we've come out to one of my favourite places. I'm up in North Wales and I have done a couple of vlogs here before. Keep watching and find out where I am. Just got to find my dog, has run off already, so join us shortly at this fantastic location. So here we are, one of my favourite waterfalls of all time. This is Nant Mill in Plas Power Woods. When I go and get set up, there's a lot of water on, which I've never seen it with this much water before. It looks absolutely fantastic. Let's take you around and show you. Absolutely gorgeous place. So, join me shortly. I'm going to be down and find a few compositions and let's see what we can get. So, really don't know if you're going to hear me now with the microphone. You're absolutely belting through this. I'll show you the back of the camera quickly and just talk you through the shot that I've got. It looks absolutely incredible. Loving it. Let me show you the back of the camera. So for this shot, I am literally just going to focus pretty much right on the waterfall. The settings for this, I am shooting ISO 800, it is really dark in here. I have a polarizing filter on and I'm just going to take the glare out just down here underneath the camera. So I've got ISO 800. I am just going to bring that to there. And I'm going to shoot at f14 to give me 1/8 of a second. We focus on the waterfall, 2-second timer is on. Absolutely beautiful. There are some light rays just coming through the scene. I'm trying to show you with the GoPro. I don't know if you can see with the mist, there are a couple of light rays just coming straight through the scene now. That looks absolutely fantastic. Bit of a sun flare. So we're picking the flare up now as well. I'll put this shot on for you right now, have a look at it. Looks beautiful, it does. So I don't know if you can pick it up on the GoPro. You'll see it on the image, you probably saw it on the image just. There's a line that's coming across the waterfall. It is light rays, there's light in the spray up. It looks fantastic. Absolutely fantastic. There's a diagonal line coming straight across. I love it. I'm going to have a little move around now and try and find something else. She's raging through, so I'm a bit wary about getting in the river today. As much as I want to, I think might not be such a wise move. But, yeah, that's what you can do anyway. Well, I've moved down, I'm slowly getting into the water now, and I'll just turn you around, show you what I'm doing now. we have this little cascade just here, and I'm going to try and line this. I'll probably focus stack this on the rocks just down in the foreground there, and then on the waterfall. It looks absolutely fantastic. I'll just turn you around this way downstream. To the fallen logs, it's absolutely fantastic places. To the photographs to be had, absolutely everywhere. So normally you can walk across this and get over dead easy. Because of the colour on it, I can't see the bottom, and I don't know how deep it is where I'm stepping. Plus the rocks do get very slippy here, so I'm going to try and be careful if I can. Absolutely love this place, love it. So my next shot, I am doing a horizontal. I am in the river and I'm literally just going to have my wellies, so I've moved back to the side a touch. But I'm going to do a vertical shot with this one, with the water coming straight underneath the camera. I am literally, the settings for this, I'm shooting ISO 800 again, just because it is so bright in here and I'm having so dark in here. Just turn the polarizer. As I say, ISO 800. I'm shooting f11 and I've got a fifth of a second. It is quite dark and I'm hoping I can just pull these shadows back in Photoshop. But I'm loving the oranges and the greens. It looks absolutely incredible here. As I say, the colours here today are beautiful. The water is orange. The waterfall itself is white and orange coming over. There's a lot of orange just down here on this little fall here, which is picking up on the camera. You've got the green in the canopy above. I was hoping the colours, they're all beech trees here, and they do a fantastic shade of orange. And I was hoping they're going to be turning, but they are still very green. Everywhere down here is really green. I'm going to Scotland in 2 weeks, and my sister says the trees are all turning up there, so it should work out perfect, fingers crossed. But I get some good autumn colours in Scotland. Hopefully then, when I get back, I may just come back here to the bright oranges in these woods here. It's a little beach, and they do look fantastic. In the summer months, you can come here, and with the canopy so bright and green, on a sunny day, you get a green filter on everything. Everything looks green. Absolutely incredible. I love images that look fake, but they're actually natural. Fantastic. This is a stunning place. Absolutely stunning. So I am now back in the water. I have just gone in again over my wellies. So I've got my left welly until it's full of water. It's a lot deeper than I thought it was going to be. But again, I'm in the water. I'm lining this up as a vertical. I will just show you the back of the camera. That's what I'm getting. It looks absolutely just stunning. I'm absolutely loving the colours, the greens and the oranges. It looks beautiful. Oh yeah, I've just polarised just in the foreground, and again I'm loving the orange and the greens up here. It looks absolutely stunning. There's a fella just about to have a swim under the waterfall, so I'm going to finish up and let him enjoy. There are now light rays coming back across the waterfall, so I might try and catch these. If I catch it, I'll put it on now for you. If not, you'll have the one I've just took before the light rays came. Time to head back now. There's about 20 people just got here. There's one chap swimming, there's another couple that also want to have a swim in there. Must be mental. My feet are froze by being in the water. It's too cold for me there. I wouldn't like to do that. But yeah, awesome place. If you haven't been here before, just type in Nant Mill Visitor Centre, and what you do from there, you walk from the car park, you walk down to the left, or you can follow the road. It brings you out by a church called St Mary's Church. It's a lot closer this way. It's probably a 10-minute walk as opposed to 20 at the visitor centre. Beautiful. Oh, the woods here are fantastic. It's all beech trees and a few pines. It looks stunning, it does. Yeah. The woods are called Plas Power Woods. So if you Google that, you'll find exactly where the waterfall is, 'cause I think it's pinned. So yeah, beautiful place. So please check out all the links in the description. Don't forget to subscribe. We'll do it all again next week. If you like the video, please give me a big thumbs up and hit the little notification bell next to the subscribe, and your support really is appreciated. I'll put all the photos on now for you. Enjoy, and until next time, take it easy.